Did you know checkbox and multiple choice questions in Google Forms support inline images? Helping responders visually identify their answer. It makes a huge difference, especially for food menus. Let me show you how to create them. I have a wedding RSVP questionnaire. I will add meal preferences with images to help guests make choices. First, I will use checkboxes to ask about appetizers and give guests the option to choose up to 2 by using the response validation option. By selecting at most, guests can choose 1 or 2 appetizers, but won't be able to check more than 2 checkboxes. I will duplicate this question and ask about the main course, allowing 1 choice at most. This type of question is a perfect place to insert images to help guests decide what they want to eat at the wedding. Where do you get images of all these options? If you Google it, some of the images may be copyrighted. And another problem is that they would be different in sizes, proportions, and quality. A better option may be to use Canva. Go to Canva, select your Canva size. I'm going to use this thumbnail size, even though I want them to be square. I will show you how to remove the extra white space later on. I will search for my food options, insert them into the canvases, and name each slide so that when I export them, the files will already have those names. I will open my files and crop them into squares. I'm using a Mac, so I will use Preview to do that. On a PC, you can use Photos or Paint to crop images. Then I will go back to my Google form and insert an image next to each food item by clicking the Add Image icon next to the Answer option. On the editor side, it might not look that impressive, but on the recipient's end, the visuals are extremely helpful and make it much easier for responders to make decisions. Guests unfamiliar with risotto al tartufo can quickly decide if it appeals to them, and the dessert photos are easy to scan and pick from. I use such images in the food options in my wedding RSVP template available in my Etsy store. Thanks so much for watching.